Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set replacement preferences. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Instacart. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Now all you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into your account and you've already added things to your cart. Now simply go ahead and click on your cart option on the top right hand, and now as you can see below everything or every item that you've tried to order, there is going to be a choose replacement preference. So simply go ahead and click on that, and now once you go ahead and do that, it's going to say if out of stock, replace with specific items. So either these or even these, or you could even choose from all of these that are similar to the item that you've ordered, or you could simply go ahead and just say replace with best match. Your shopper will look for the most similar item, and or you could also simply go ahead and refund this item. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.